Our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round, round. Yeah, let's take a second.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another exciting tech review. Today we are checking out the eufy S1 Pro, a floor washing robot vacuum that promises a whole new level of cleaning. This robot vacuum cleaner has a sleek and stylish design that stands out in my home. It offers excellent cleaning power, tackling dirt and debris with ease. Well, today's focus is on this advanced robot vacuum. We will explore its brand heritage, innovative floor washing technology, eco-clean ozone system, 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance, UniClean Station, and overall design and advantages. To sum it up, this is without a doubt the top choice for a robot vacuum with a mopping function. Eufy's journey to becoming a leader in the home cleaning technology has been marked by innovation and a commitment to solving everyday challenges. As a subsidiary of Anchor Innovations, Eufy started by offering affordable, user friendly, smart home solutions, moving beyond basic vacuums to develop advanced technology that set new industry standards. The turning point came with the S series, a lineup focused on innovation. Eufy addressed key limitations in traditional robot vacuums. This led to the development of the S1 Pro, the world's first and best floor washing robot vacuum with an all-in-one station, and it earned a CES 2023 Innovation Award in January 2023. The square-shaped design of the S1 Pro was a significant breakthrough, allowing it to clean corners and edges that circular robots missed. Eufy incorporated advanced AI and real-time self-cleaning technology in smart cleaning solutions. Now, let's talk about the groundbreaking floor washing system. The standout feature of the Eufy S1 Pro is its revolutionary floor washing system. Unlike traditional robot vacuums, it doesn't just mop, it delivers a deep clean by using a self-cleaning roller mop. This mop actively washes floors while cleaning itself in real time, ensuring that dirt and stains aren't spread across your home. It's designed to tackle even the toughest messes, including dried on stains like coffee and tomato sauce. The square shaped design maximizes the mopping area, covering more ground per pass and making cleaning faster and more efficient. The mop uses 3 liters of water to clean up to 450 square meters, saving water while delivering high cleaning efficiency. Its 12 mm auto retraction feature detects carpets and automatically lifts the mop to prevent weighting, ensuring that both hard floors and carpets are cleaned effectively without any manual intervention. Eufy S1 Pro features 8000 Pascal suction, pulling hidden dust and debris for deep cleaning on hard floors and carpets. With dual side brushes and a detangling brush, it boosts cleaning efficiency, reducing hair tangles. Wet and dry separation ensures debris is vacuumed before mopping for enhanced mopping efficiency. We conducted a lab grade test on a floor that was heavily soiled with spilled drinks. After cleaning with the Eufy S1 Pro, we checked the surface with UV light, confirming that the S1 Pro didn't spread dirt around. We also wiped the floor with a white tissue and it came out completely clean with no trace of dirt. The EcoClean Ozone system on the Eufy S1 Pro enhances cleaning by using tap water to create ozone. This disinfects both the mop and floors, eliminating up to 99.99% of bacteria. This chemical-free process ensures a healthier home environment without harmful residues. The ozone water sterilizes both the mop and surfaces, enhancing cleaning efficiency while keeping it safe for households. This technology also improves indoor air quality, offering added protection, especially for those with sensitivities. eufy S1 Pro is equipped with 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance, using infrared imaging to detect and navigate around obstacles with precision. Its true-course trademark mapping system, powered by DTOF LiDAR, ensures efficient cleaning routes and real-time adjustments to layout changes. This robot works smoothly in low light and supports up to 4 floor maps, ideal for multi-story homes. Its intelligent navigation and precise obstacle detection ensure continuous cleaning throughout the home. Well, before we talk about design and build quality, let's talk about the UniClean Station. The UniClean Station on the eufy S1 Pro offers a truly automated cleaning experience with a LCD touch control panel. It automatically empties dust into a 2.5-liter dust bag, providing up to 68 days of hands-free cleaning. The station also auto-washes the mop with high-pressure water, ensuring it remains spotless after each cleaning session. It even features heated air drying at 55 degrees Celsius to prevent bacteria buildup and odors. With automatic water refilling and detergent mixing, the station simplifies the entire cleaning process, allowing the S1 Pro to perform efficiently without the need for constant supervision. eufy S1 Pro features a square-shaped design for precise cleaning along edges and corners. Its slim 96mm body easily navigates under furniture, while the transparent water tank makes it simple to monitor water levels. With an ergonomic LCD touch panel, it offers user-friendly control without needing an application, making it ideal for those seeking a simple, efficient cleaning experience. eufy S1 Pro offers several key benefits that make it the best floor washing robot vacuum with an all-in-one station. Its powerful floor washing system, combined with its self-cleaning mop, ensures consistently spotless results with minimal effort. The automated UniClean Station and EcoClean Ozone system maintain both the robot and home environment in optimal condition. Efficient obstacle detection and multi-floor mapping make it adaptable for any home setup. The real magic of the S1 Pro is in its ability to clean every corner of the home, leaving nothing but pristine floors and a feeling that your space has been completely transformed. eufy S1 Pro raises the bar for home cleaning with its unmatched technology and performance. The square shape makes it more efficient at reaching and cleaning edges, so there is no need for extra effort later. Even my girlfriend doesn't have to worry about those tricky spots anymore. The EcoClean Ozone system enhances cleanliness, making the environment safer for my family. Now, Thea can exercise on the floor without concerns about bacteria. Don't miss out on upgrading your cleaning routine. Check the description for more info and make your move toward a cleaner home. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.